Hi everyone. Okay, hello, it's me. Hello, it's me. I love this color and I can change it too.
How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Y'all know the vibe. It's your girl Gloria and I'm back again with another video. I know for sure that it's been quite long since I posted. Yeah, I know. It was just like I'm a little bit tired and I really wanted a break. Not a break actually, and I'm not back, but guess what? It's unboxing time. Literally, I did it again. Okay, so anyways, if you're new to this channel, please kindly subscribe, like, comment and share. If you're old here, definitely you know me and you be locked in forever. So without further as much as I do, you already have seen by the title, I'm gonna be doing unboxing. Guess who owned MacBook? It's Gloria. Yes, it's me. I'm super excited. Let's just unbox together real quick. Here we go. Here is actually the full product. It's from Media Market, and I think I've logged in with Media Market because I've been buying a lot. Because honestly speaking, I think this year I did like unbox my iPad with me. I think go check this video out maybe. And also my phone, I got it at Media Market. Like honestly speaking, Media Market, me and them, we have something. So let's just go straight to the point. That's the receipt. As usual, I'm gonna show you. Here's the oh my god, honestly speaking, I'm super excited. Like I can't believe how excited I am. And guess what, I got it in like a sky blue. It's so cute. I'm not gonna lie, it's very cute. And it's actually MacBook Air because I wanted something small, not too much. Clack it for me. Clack it. Okay, I know you did that. Okay, so let's just try to unbox together because I'm talking too much. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy. Yeah, so I guess I'm gonna go like this. Okay. I'm super excited. What the fuck? Okay, period. What is okay this time? I hope my village people won't visit me because these people like disturbing me. Honestly, let me just put it on my leg so that I can I'm so happy, guys. This is my MacBook. See the details. Okay, finally. I think I might just remove it from the bus because it's giving too much to handle. So this is actually how it looks. Pretty small, not that big. It's not giving heavy. It's giving a little bit light heavy. Yeah. Oh no, the lighting is too much. Hold up. Yeah, there we go. Like, oh my god. Because oh, it's super cute. Honestly speaking, let me just open it up. Do you just hear that? Ah, it's on. Okay. Can you see that? Okay, hello, it's me. Hello, it's me. Guess who owned a MacBook? I'm super excited. Okay, let me just put it down because my village people are very active this evening, so I'm just gonna put it down. The color, oh my days, it's giving everything it's supposed to give. But like, I'm not gonna set everything up here with you all, but I just like unbox with you all. That's what necessary actually. And they have like something on this side here is for charging, I think, and 2 Type-C hole. I don't know what is it for, honestly, I don't know. And I have this, I think it's for maybe headset. I don't know, I'm new to this, people. And also here is the rest of the stuff in the box. Actually, it comes with this charger. Yeah, I think you have type C at the end and this one here, not really sure. I don't need this because I own a lot of Apple stuff, so I don't need guide. And charger head. So that's actually what is in the box. I'm so happy to get this, honestly speaking. So I'm just gonna put this down and show you guys few items I got from Amazon during the Black Friday. I'm about to unbox with you. Everything is from Amazon on this side. Oh, I think I can. Did I show my address? No, I don't think so. Okay, really wanted to get a light for my camera, but then like the one I got before, it was good, bro. I feel like I need something specific for the Sony cameras I have here. And I think it's pretty nice. Let me just open it to see whether it will work or not. If not, I'm gonna send it back. If not, I'm gonna send it back for real. Woo! Okay. So it's nice package actually. Like a light, and it has this for tripod and all of that, and this for camera in case you have a camera, you can hold this thing with it. And another thing, I don't need it. And also here is the main event itself, pretty small and nice. Ooh, it's from this brand and I've seen it on TikTok, so I guess it's gonna work. It has this thing on the side to adjust the brightness of the light, I think. And here is the on and off button. So do you see the changes? Hold on. Oh, okay, you see this make it go down and this make it come high. This light is cute. Can I change something? Oh, I think I can change it. See, I like it. This good. Ooh, I like it. It's amazing. I mean, I love this warm, like, you know, brightness. I love it. Okay, it's working. I like it. But then it's time for me to fix it in my camera, and I don't know how I'm gonna do, but I think I'm gonna manage to get it on my camera because that's the reason why I got it. So I think I might use this side. Yeah, here we go. That's very easy to use, and I think this is actually flexible. You can just turn it like this and think. Okay, should we do it? Should we just do it? Should we just do it? I think so. It's on. I can do it like this if I want, like that. It's very flexible. Oh my god, this is cute. This is cute. I love it. I've been wanting this for a while. I mean, whenever that, you know, put on tripod, here we go. Like, let me just turn it on. I love this color, and I can change it too. This is so super cool. I love it. And the next thing I got is actually a lens for my camera, but I've already opened it because I really wanted to see how it looks. But this is actually the brand that I got from, in case you really want to get. Here is the lens. This is how it looks. Very nice details. Have this angle. Let me just focus. Okay, I think you just, oh, I forgot again. Okay, I think you just, yeah, here's the lens, and here's the back. Should we screw it on? So I have this, and I'm gonna just remove it. This side on this side. Ooh, okay, it's tight. Now my camera is looking like a bitch. I mean, she's looking like that girl. Oh my days. When I put on tripod, it's over for you all. And let me just show you how it looks. This is how it looks on the side too. I mean, I like it. Like, you'd be like, girl, bye. Oh, I love this. I love this. I love this. I mean, I love this. It's super cute. What else? Oh, they gave me back. It's actually a bag with the brand name on it. Yeah. Next item. Okay. Did I really send this twice? No. Okay, let me just show you guys. I bought this already, but they sent me another one. It's actually card reader for ID card, bank card, I think SD card, and also memory card and all of that. But I already have one of this, and one is also already. I have to send one back. And next item. Oh, that was a gift. I can't show it. It's a gift for someone. I can't show it on live. Let's go. Last package. I think that's the last package. Oh yeah. This is a camera cover for my camera actually. Although like I have a cover, but it's pink, and I really wanted it in black. So I got it in black in case, so that it will match everything that I have here. Yeah, but it's just like the same, so the same details like here, but in black. So actually that's the end of the video. Hopefully you enjoy. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next video. Peace out.
Nobody like you do. I can't lose.